Welcome to MarineMax Maryland. My name is Perry. We're going to show you this 2019 Sea Ray 270 SDX outboard. Fresh trade we just got. Owners bought a new boat and gave this one to us. So dealership owned. It's going to come with all fresh services and a full detail. So on the back we have a 300 horsepower white Mercury. Interior is the dune color. And you've got snap-in SeaDeck. There is also the infinity woven vinyl snap-in that came with this boat as well, but the owners put in this SeaDeck here to have an option. Again, boat's in very good shape. Dune interior. It was lift kept here in Kent Island, Maryland, inside storage. Boat is extremely clean. Fusion stereo. Here's your head. Again, the 270 SDX, extremely popular boat. Tons of seating. Great center walkthrough into an expansive bow. Again, I'll just kind of zoom in on some of the upholstery here. Again, 2019 Sea Ray 270 SDX outboard. Very clean boat. Give us a call today. My number is 330-348-6916.